This was one of those days it didn't matter when you headed outside, drove anywhere. It just felt and looked like December.
Yes, yes. But
I don't know how else
fun.
to put it.
I
think you covered it.
Because it puts you in the Christmas spirit.
It does.
And, you know, you turn on the Christmas music wherever you're driving. And,
the lights.
You know.
Yeah, the gifts.
You have to smile.
You
have to smile.
Even as you're white-knuckling it down the road, you're smiling. Take it easy out there on those roadways. Yeah, still windy. You got a little bit of lake effect still. Just checking the Traverse City camera over the past 10 minutes. Snow is now flying, and like we saw in Megan's live report too. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Weather alerts headlines for the rest of tonight. Another cold night. Whether you do see a little bit more of this lake effect snow or not, we've got a fresh snowpack on the ground. So numbers for tonight, a lot of us at least back into the teens, and even still west-northwest lake effect with the wind direction looking good as we go into the day on Friday. If you want to break from the snow, we also do have that coming in the forecast. It looks like an overall drier day for all of us by the time we're getting into the second half of the weekend. National Weather Service has dropped the winter storm warnings throughout northern lower. You still technically are going to be talking about some more lake effect. It's just not going to reach the winter storm criteria. So that's the reason why areas still going into the UP and going a little bit farther south where some of our counties are still covered by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. You're still holding on to a few of those winter weather alerts as well. So let's run you through the model. You still, again, do have that lake effect chance with a little bit more of the northerly component to the wind. This will still take us past the midnight hour, at least getting into very early on Friday morning. Now notice you start to add a little bit more of the westerly component back to the wind. So this will take us into the day on Friday. So even still, areas near the tip of the Met going into eastern upper, those classic snow belts, more with the westerly component, you still will have that chance for at least a few more isolated lake effect snow showers. If you're not seeing the snow actively fall, partly to mostly cloudy skies, going to be looking good as we get into the day on Friday. And even still, this lingering chance for a few more of these lake effect snow showers will be with us late Friday night. Even getting into the beginning of the weekend, it does look like there could be another weak disturbance moving in. That could give us a little bit of maybe a rain-snow mix as we're going into the beginning hours of your Saturday morning by the time we do reach the afternoon. So just kind of going over the snowfall trends. Again, a few more inches for the snow belts just downwind of Lake Michigan and Lake Superior still will be on the table. I don't think it's going to be monumental amounts compared to what we have already received, but still talking about that chance nonetheless. Now the winds are still going to be a little bit breezy too. That's as we get into the day on Friday. Those gusts easily still back into the 20s, so that snow probably still going to be blowing and drifting around. Let's talk numbers out there right now. It's chilly. Everett, you're at 25 degrees. Manistee, closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline, your current number at 30, but check out that wind. It was at 18 miles per hour. Numbers for tonight, there you go, past the midnight hour. Kinross 13, Sheboygan back near 16 as we go past the midnight hour. These are just air temperatures, feel like numbers, probably more in the single digits tonight. Lake City 15, Buckley near 16, Traverse City back near 21. There's a look at it, eastern lower. Alpena back near 18. Mile, we got you near 11. Same deal getting into Atlanta. Central lower, still your fair share of some teens tonight. Gladwin 14 degrees, Big Rapids 16, and Baldwin also near 16 as we do start off your Friday morning. Here's a look at the numbers getting into the day tomorrow. Still chilly. That chance for some lake effect snow mainly as you go a little bit farther north near the tip of the Mitt with that westerly wind. And check it out. This is going down the pipe by late next week. Going into Tuesday, Wednesday, another blast of some Arctic air. It does look to be back in the forecast. That's later next week, so that's going to be the chance for some more lake effect. But there it is into the next 7, at least Saturday getting into Sunday. A little bit of a break from some of the snow, and your numbers 30s, if not a few low 40s. David and Katie, back to you.